Final Cut Pro 12.2 just dropped. It's a very minor update, but I am a Final Cut Pro channel, so I should probably make a video about it. The first addition is that you can now learn to edit with speed and precision in the magnetic timeline with an all-new video tutorial. To locate this new video, all you need to do is go up to Help, then go down to Magnetic Timeline Tutorial. That being said, if you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel, you wouldn't even need this video because I've talked so much about the magnetic timeline already. But jokes aside, it's actually an excellent tutorial for anybody who's just getting started with Final Cut Pro. Secondly, this update reduces startup time when opening Final Cut Pro with many audio units installed. This is going to be particularly helpful for anybody who was maybe using Logic Pro a lot or some other audio software. I know a lot of audio engineers have tons of audio plugins and effects, so hopefully Final Cut Pro opens a bit faster. And lastly, it fixes an issue that sometimes caused Final Cut Pro to quit when adjusting zoom levels in the timeline with beat detection enabled. I actually did have this specific crash a couple times. I didn't record it or anything, so I can't show it to you here, but hopefully anybody who is having this problem has now had it addressed. Overall, like I said, it's a really tiny update, and I know there's somebody already writing in the comments, DaVinci Resolve is so much better because they get all the updates, and you know what? That's great. I'm happy for you. I really love editing in Final Cut Pro. It's the app that I'm very passionate about and I'm going to continue sharing on. So if you're not interested in Final Cut Pro stuff, unsubscribe. If you are interested in Final Cut Pro stuff, then you might want to subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this quick video, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. With that being said, I cannot wait to see you in the next one.